everyone, it's Catherine again here with Coupon Cart Club. Just with a quick video, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of, guess what, a gift that I got for Mother's Day. I know it's kind of late, and I did the Hip Dot SpongeBob unboxing, but I definitely wanted to unbox this MAC Cosmetic SELENA La Reina collection. My best friend Crystal did order me something special, so I'm super excited to unbox it with you guys. So I guess let's get into it. Hi everyone, it's Muffins for me. Hi everyone, it's Catherine again. Originally $6.99. This is Free Stuff Friday. Now, before I get started, I just wanted to say thank you, Crystal. She's so amazing. I hope you guys go over to her page.
Checkmate Sweets is a luxurious truffle dessert that ignites your taste buds, allowing you to enjoy the dessert experience one piece at a time. They have non-dairy and vegan options, gluten-free, alcohol-infused, and edibles, and they ship nationwide. Make sure you guys check out Checkmate Sweets.
She is the CEO of Checkmate Sweets. Chocolate spelled backwards is dessert, so make sure that you guys check it out. She makes these delicious truffles. She does everything from vegan to non-vegan, peanuts, not nuts. She has so many amazing flavors that are coming out this summer, like pina colada and different things. I hope you guys definitely check it out. Of course, I'm gonna have links down below so you can see all the amazing stuff that she does, and make sure you give a big shout out when you go over there and go to her page. So let's get this bad boy started. So I'm going to confess, I did open the box a little bit already. I was just so excited to open it and I didn't realize it because, you know, I finally got down to unboxing it myself. I mean, I was like, I should have did this on camera. What a duty face. So I decided to, you know, it's time to do it on camera. So the SELENA collection, SELENA La Reina, is here. It's the 25th anniversary, I believe, of their first collaboration, if I'm not mistaken. The celebration of Selena's legacy with a new special edition lineup. For now, SELENA La Reina collection will be available exclusively online with limit quantities. So that's one item per shade permitted for each person. So you can't buy more than one shade, unfortunately. You would have to do more, I guess, more than one transaction in order to do it. And I'm not too sure if they're monitoring that. So you guys have to definitely check that out. So here's an inspirational quote from her sister. The true inspiration behind the packaging of Selena's iconic rainbow stone bra, which really led the hieroglyphic, is that it? Holographic holographic feel for the collection. Still with the MAC team before the first SELENA collection, I had an amazing idea to celebrate my sister's 25th anniversary with the time come. And now we're making it happen. Got it? Blonde it. So it's so cute, it's so amazing, but let's get this thing started. I know everybody's excited. No bubble this time. There's more. Ooh, look at that, MAC. MAC has their own special little wrapping paper that they got here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you? I don't know, it's kind of blurry. But it's great to me. Ooh, what is this? So makeup setting spray that refreshes skin, improves wear makeup for 12 hours. Oh, this is the Prep and Prime, the MAC Prep and Prime. They give a little sample. That's really nice. I really like that. That's amazing. It's kind of washed out. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm so sorry. I know sometimes it's a little hard to see because of the lighting, but this is the primer inside the little bottle that's here. You can definitely see it. Check it out. It's really good. More tissue. Ooh. Great seeing you at MAC. Well, you didn't see me. You didn't see me. The computer saw you. Get $10 off your next order. Ooh, look at that. Discount code, give $10, get $10. Hope you enjoy your new product. Want to share your love for MAC Cosmetics? Get credit towards your new order. Invite your friends to check out, and you'll get $10 off your first online purchase. Even better, you'll get a $10 credit for each friend that you refer. Tell your friends now by visiting refermaccosmetics.com. Well, you heard it first, babies. You heard it first. So make sure you guys check that out. Oh, she left a little postcard. It says, Happy Mother's Day, me and you, us never apart. Makita. Oh, that's so cute. No, you can't see it. I'm sorry, guys. But it's so cute. Oh my gosh. All right, it's in here. So it's got this little gift bag here. There's stars, and of course, there's more paper that they have. So this is, I love this bag. This is really nice. This adds a very elegant touch. Elegante. Ooh, ah. So it's the MAC SELENA La Reina lipstick. It's really nice. It's like a iridescent box. It has a rose on it, and it says MAC SELENA. It's really nice. The color is called Queen of Cubana. Ooh, this is nice. When you open it, it's like a little bullet. The bullet MAC. This is so nice. I really, really like it. I know you guys can see it. It's really good now. I wish I didn't put a lippy on. I didn't think about it. This is so nice. Yeah, I smell it. It smells like vanilla. It's so nice. I'm not too sure if you guys are going to be able to see that, but there's like a little rose imprinted on it, and that is amazing. Like a little flower. All right, so I'm going to put a little on my wrist. I know the last time I was an ultimate fail at swatching things, but look at that. Look at how good that pigment is on the lipstick. It's really, really good. It's a good color. It's really good. And I was putting it softly, so it's really good. It's gonna be something I know that's gonna, because that's one thing, MAC has great formula for their lippy wear, and this is gonna be good. I can't wait. It's a matte lipstick. A89 is like the shade number if you guys want to know, but this is so cute. So this is exactly what I got. At the time of her ordering it, unfortunately, what she told me is there was nothing there, which is true. The whole collection didn't actually get refreshed until like a couple of days ago, so you're able to buy everything now. But I was just happy that she got me this lipstick, and it's so good. Like, SELENA was such an amazing icon, and she still is. Rest in peace. When I was younger, we all used to listen to her. She was just like the Spanish girl that crossed over into English music, so it was just amazing, and we just loved every moment of her when she dropped her album crossing over into English music. But I had so much fun. Thank you so much for listening and watching. For my friends who would like to join our Facebook group, make sure you you check out the link down below. And if you want to have a digital meeting, we're available every Tuesday night. All you have to do is send us a quick email to couponcartclub@gmail.com. All right, beautiful people, make sure that you check out Checkmate Sweets, and make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't try to call in the middle of me making my videos, because it's annoying. Just kidding. Doesn't matter. But I will see you beautiful people soon. Take care. Bye.